I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, I'm going to celebrate the Barbie movie by making a Starbucks-inspired pink drink. Let's get to it. If you haven't seen the Barbie movie yet, I'm not going to spoil it for you, but I will let you know you're going to see a lot of pink. In honor of the movie, I ditched the plaid and I put on some pink today to make this delicious pink drink inspired by Starbucks. The ingredients we will start with is a half a cup of water, 1 packet of Crystal Light strawberry flavored drink mix, and also a hibiscus tea bag. I'm letting this steep in the glass with a 1/4 cup of cranberry juice. You can use white cranberry juice, white grape juice, and we want it to be this kind of reddish, dark pink color. You also want some strawberries. I have 3 fresh strawberries that I've sliced, and I have a 4th one that I put a little slit in the middle that I will use as a garnish on the top of the glass. You can also use dehydrated strawberries. I think this is what the restaurant actually uses to make this drink, but you can also use fresh strawberries if you choose. I also have a 13.5 ounce can of chilled, unsweetened coconut milk. This is going to be the element that really brings that creaminess and richness to the drink. Now that I have all of my ingredients gathered, let's get started with assembling this delicious and easy to make drink. I have my tall glass. Discard your tea bag. So I'm going to pour about half of my juice mixture into this glass and try not to make a mess. And what I can do actually is make 2 drinks, one for me and one for a friend. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk. I want to make sure that this is very well shaken because as these guys sit on a shelf, things tend to settle on the bottom, and you want to get this well mixed so that you don't have any kind of a situation on your hands. Simply pour the contents of the can into the drink. Add ice, add my strawberries, and I have only 1 garnish, so I'm going to use this on 1. Then mix well, and your drink is ready to enjoy. Let's give this guy a try. I'm really rather surprised. It's not super sweet, and it's creamy and delicious and kind of cool going down. This is really good. I see what all the fuss is about now. As always, I hope you get a chance to make this recipe. It's delicious, it's sweet, it's refreshing, and the perfect drink for these hot summer days. And also a great way to celebrate the Barbie movie with your friends. So make this recipe, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other videos I have on my Sweets and Bakes playlist. I'll see you next time.